Hello friends, I am here to cast a ray of sunshine in your lives. Yes, I am coming up with videos, blogs and audios which will focus on your life, your personal growth, your professional life and your spiritual growth and much more. So let us get ready to learn, share and implement and march towards self-excellence. So the first video in this series is about the new beginning. Well, now as the new year is approaching, it reminds me of Valya. You're correct. The same Valya who became the Saint Valmiki, who wrote the Ramayana. When he was a very small boy, he was playing in the woods. And when he was playing in the woods, he lost his way. A hunter saw him and he took him home. His wife and that hunter, they were overjoyed to see this little boy because they were childless. So they brought him up as their own child. This child also learnt hunting and the means of livelihood for him also became hunting. Later on, he married a beautiful woman and he had 3 children. So his family grew. His parents also became old. So the responsibilities of the whole family was on this Valya's shoulders. Now he couldn't make the 2 ends meet. It was very difficult for him to do so. So what he did was, instead of taking into some good way of earning a livelihood or putting in more effort, he started robbing people. He started stealing people. And this was where he started all the bad things in his life. So this became a routine for him. And then his cruelty increased to such an extent that if somebody resisted, somebody did not give his valuables, he used to kill that person also. It became so bad. Now one fine day, one Rishi Muni was walking through the woods, the same woods, and as usual, Valya came and stopped that Rishi Muni. He stopped him in the way and he said, "You give me your valuables." So the Rishi Muni said, "Fine, I'm going to give my valuables, but before that you have to answer a few questions." Valya said, "Okay, fine, I am ready to answer your questions." So the Rishi Muni, that pious saint, he asked that why are you robbing people? Why are you stealing them? Valya said, "I'm doing this for my family. I'm doing this to feed my family." Then Rishi Muni said, "Okay, when you're doing this to feed your family, do you know that it's a bad karma? That it's a paap, it's a sin?" Valya said, "Yes, I know it's a paap, it's a sin, but my family will share my bad karmas because I'm doing it for them." So the Rishi Muni said, "Fine, you go back to your family, you ask them whether they are going to share it and tell me." So Valya tied up this Rishi up to a tree and he went and asked his mother, his father and his wife also and his children whether they are going to share his bad karmas. And you know what they said? They bluntly refused. They said, "No, why should we do so? You are doing the paap, you are doing the sin, so you have to bear with the consequences, right? You have to pay back for it." He was really shocked. It really saddened him. He went back to the Rishi and he told him that nobody is, ready to bear with my bad karmas. Nobody is ready to face the consequences of this. Then the Rishi told him that now you have to follow the right path. This was the day when he realized that he was doing wrong and he took the first step towards the right path. He started meditation, penance and put in all his efforts on the right path and later on became Valmiki, who wrote the Ramayana. And as we all know that the teachings of the Ramayana, the learnings from the Ramayana are very useful to us even today. It's very, very valuable, right? So the day when he realized and he took the first step was a new beginning for Valya, who became the Valmiki. Now, changing the dates of the calendar is not a new beginning. Whether you do it manually or digitally, it's not the new beginning. Or changing the calendar itself for the next year is also not a new beginning. So changing the days of the week and weeks of the month and months of the year and years of your life is not a new beginning. A new beginning is only when you start something new and positive. See, a New Year day is any other day. It's like just any other day. For the Maharashtrians, it is the Gudi Padwa. For the Parsis, it is the Pateti. For Iranians, it is the Nowruz. And the people of Thailand celebrate It has the song group. So it is just another day. It is not a new beginning. A new beginning is only and only when you start something positive and new. Okay? So let this new year be a new beginning in your life. Happy New Year. All the very best. Thank you so much.